What if I told you you can bring the classic Windows Vista Aero look back on Windows 11? Yep, I've already done it. And honestly, it looks amazing. The best part is, we're not going to completely break the Windows 11 interface just to make it look like Vista. Instead, we'll make subtle changes across Windows so it still feels smooth and usable, but gives you that nostalgic Vista Aero look. We're going to change the taskbar and start menu, the notification center, file explorer, the settings window, the system icons and folders, and yes, even the mouse pointer. And we're not stopping there. You'll also get a full collection of beautiful Vista-style wallpapers to choose from, so you can pick the one that looks best with your setup. By the end of this video, Windows 11 is going to feel like Windows Vista got a modern upgrade. Alright, let's get started. And if you're worried about performance, don't be. I'm running this entire setup on an Optiplex 3060 mini PC. So if this little mini PC can handle it, your PC definitely can. Before changing anything, create a restore point. If something goes wrong during the customization, this gives you a safe way to return Windows to a working state. Open the Start menu, search for Create a Restore Point and click it. Under Protection Settings, check that System Protection is turned on for your main Windows drive, usually the C drive. If it says off, select the drive, click Configure, choose Turn on System Protection, and then click OK. Now click Create, enter a name you'll easily recognize, something like Before Customization, and click Create again. Once Windows confirms that the restore point was created successfully, you're ready to start customizing safely. Now for the main app that will power our customization, Windhawk. You'll find the download link in the description. Open it, make sure you're on the official Windhawk website and click Download. Once the setup file finishes downloading, double-click it and follow the installation steps. Windhawk may take a few minutes to download and install everything it needs, so let it finish without closing the installer. I'll come back as soon as it's ready, and then we can start the actual customization. You only need Windhawk, the right mods, and a few configuration files. And to make things easier, I've already organized everything for you. Start by opening the link in the description. You'll find all the mods, settings, wallpapers, and extra files used for this customization in one place, so there's no need to hunt them down yourself. First, choose the taskbar styler. Next to each mod, you'll see a copy button. Click it and it'll copy the name of the Windhawk mod you need. Now open Windhawk and head over to the Explore section. Paste the mod name into the search bar, select the matching result, and click Details. From there, click Install and give it a moment to finish. At this point, the mod is installed, but it probably won't look right just yet. That's because we still need to add the correct settings. Open the Advanced tab and look for the mod settings text box. Then head back to my website and copy the configuration listed for that mod. Return to Windhawk, remove everything currently inside the mod settings box, paste in the new configuration and click Save. Your taskbar should update almost instantly. Next, we're going to transform the Start menu. The process is almost identical to what we just did with the taskbar. Go to my website and copy the Start menu mod name for your chosen style. Then open Windhawk, head to the Explore section, paste the name into the search bar and select the matching mod. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Once it's installed, return to my website and copy the configuration provided for that mod. Back in Windhawk, open the Advanced tab and find the mod settings box. Delete the existing text, paste in the new configuration and click Save. Your Start menu should update almost instantly to match the rest of your desktop. Next up is the Notification Center, and this is where the whole desktop really starts to feel consistent. We'll head back to my website and copy the name of the Notification Center styler mod. In Windhawk, open Explore, paste that name into the search bar and select the matching result. Install the mod, then jump back to the website and copy its configuration settings. Now return to Windhawk, open the Mod's Advanced tab and locate the mod settings box. Replace everything inside with the configuration you just copied, then click Save. Open your Notification Center and the new style should appear right away, giving one of Windows' most overlooked panels a much cleaner look. File Explorer is next, and by now you already know the routine. On my website, find the file explorer design that matches your setup. Then use the same process as before, copy the mod name, find and install it through Windhawk, and paste the configuration from my website into the mod's advanced settings. Hit save, wait a few seconds, and File Explorer should refresh with its new look. Now the design isn't limited to your desktop. Everything is starting to feel like one complete setup. Most of the desktop is customized now, but open the Windows Settings app and suddenly you're back to the default Windows 11 look. Let's fix that. We'll use another Windhawk mod and the installation process is the same as before. Just grab the settings mod name and configuration from my website, install the mod through Windhawk, paste the configuration into its advanced settings and save your changes. Now reopen Windows Settings and wow, look at that. It looks so much better and finally matches the rest of the desktop. Now, what about the icons? If you want the full Windows Vista look, we can replace those too. For this, we'll use a Windhawk mod called Resource Redirect. Just like before, install the mod, copy the configuration from my website, paste it into the advanced settings and save. This one needs to run a script that replaces the icons, so don't worry if nothing happens immediately. Give it a few seconds to do its thing, and once it finishes, your desktop will have those classic Windows Vista style icons too. The icons now match, but the moment you move the mouse, the default pointer gives everything away. So let's change that too. This customization works a little differently. Go to the Extras tab on my website and download the Windows Vista Cursor Pack zip file. Once it's downloaded, open your Downloads folder, extract the zip file, and move the extracted folder to your C drive. Now open that folder and look for the file called install.ini. Here's the important part. Right-click the file and select Install. Don't double-click it because that won't install the cursor pack. But once the installation finishes, the pointer won't change automatically. You still need to activate it in Windows Settings. Open the Start menu, search for Pointer, and select the option to change how the mouse pointer looks. In the window that appears, open the Pointers tab. Now click the Scheme drop-down menu, select Windows Vista Aero, and click Apply, followed by OK. Confirm the change if Windows asks you to. And just like that, your mouse pointer now has the classic Windows Vista look, completing the transformation. There's just one thing left, and it's the detail that ties the entire Vista look together, the wallpaper. Go to the Wallpapers tab on my website and choose the one you like. Every wallpaper there has been selected to fit the Windows Vista aesthetic, but I'm going with this classic stones wallpaper. Click the image to download it. Then open your Downloads folder, right-click the wallpaper and select Set as Desktop Background. And that's it. We've transformed the default Windows 11 desktop from this into this complete Aero-themed setup with Vista-style icons, cursors, transparency, and the perfect wallpaper to finish it off. If you enjoyed the transformation, leave a like and subscribe for more Windows customization guides. You'll find all the downloads and useful links in the description. But what if you want to remove everything and return to the default Windows 11 look? No problem. Just follow the steps shown on the screen to safely undo each customization and restore your original setup.